In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow loading issues with WhatsApp Web on Windows. If you're finding that accessing WhatsApp Web is slower than you'd like, stick around, as we'll walk you through several troubleshooting steps that can significantly improve your experience. First things first, let's talk about your internet speed. It might sound obvious, but a sluggish internet connection is often the culprit behind slow loading web applications. To get started, we recommend heading over to speedtest.net. This site will provide you with a quick analysis of your current internet speed. Ideally, you're going to want at least 5 Mbps for smooth performance on WhatsApp Web. If your results fall short, don't worry. There are a few things you can do, such as restarting your router. Simply turning the router off and then on again can sometimes solve speed issues. Alternatively, consider switching to a faster network or using a mobile hotspot if you have that option available. A stronger connection will definitely make a huge difference. Another crucial step involves clearing your browser cache and cookies, which can sometimes cause lagging issues. To do this, open up your browser settings. Once there, navigate to Privacy and Security and look for the option labeled Clear Browsing Data. It's good to clear these out every so often to keep things running smoothly and ensure no outdated information is interfering with your browsing experience. Look for the Clear Data button and give it a click to wipe out any accumulated cache and cookies. Next up, we have browser extensions. Some of these can be real performance hogs and they're often not necessary for your day-to-day WhatsApp usage. Start by checking your installed extensions. Head back to your browser settings and this time click on Extensions. Here you'll want to scrutinize which ones you actually need. Specifically, consider turning off or even removing ad blockers, VPN plugins, or any script blocking extensions you might have. They might block certain elements of the web page or slow things down overall. Lastly, a little trick that can often solve the problem is making use of the incognito or private mode in your browser. This mode essentially opens up a fresh browser session that doesn't retain any cache or extensions. This can notably speed up your browsing experience as it eliminates any interference from stored data or third-party add-ons. By following these steps, you should see a marked improvement in the loading speed of WhatsApp Web. These tips bring your browser back to its optimal state, reduce unnecessary load, and help your computer focus on delivering the quickest experience possible. Thank you for watching, and I hope these solutions bring WhatsApp Web back up to speed on your Windows machine.